Okay guys, so again, part of my meal today is also using Zoodles, all right? So I've got two nice large zucchini. I've already washed them. And then I've got my little spiral machine here, okay? So let me show you how to make Zoodles. Now, you can buy Zoodles already ready to go in the store. They have them in most grocery stores. If you go into the deli area, they have so much stuff already prepped. But what's the fun in that, guys? And you know what? This machine can do a lot of other things too. I just usually use it mostly for making Zoodles. All right, so let's show you how it works. All right, so you're gonna take your zucchini and place it onto your machine. I'll show you the front view of it there. Okay, and then it's got a little pusher part on the back. And you just start spinning it through there. Okay, and you'll see how they come off just like a noodle. What I like to do is I do a couple spins and then I pull them off. So that way you don't have really too long of ones, like even longer than a spaghetti, okay? So that's what I do with that, okay? Just keep going. It's like that. And my sous chef Louis, where'd you go? You want a piece of zucchini? He loves zucchini. I'll give him a piece of this here. This is that inner part that comes through there. There you go. Zoodles. That little piece there, if you don't have your sous chef Louis like I do, to give him a little chomp of zucchini, which he loves, you can blend this with your vegetables and your tomato sauce for your Zoodles. Okay, again, take your zucchini. There's a little metal piece right on here. You push it up to that. Put your pusher into your end of your zucchini. I cut the stem end off. I leave the other end on there. I don't cut that off. Then turn, okay? And then you pull your Zoodles off, and I've got a bowl right here. I'm just gonna throw them right in there. Or let them all go onto, I've got a tray right there, or you can use a plate. So, but you just wanna zip it through there a couple cranks and then make sure you take that off. Otherwise they're gonna be a lot longer than spaghetti noodles. Awesome, huh? And it doesn't take very long to do this. It's very quick. And then what you'll do is you will saute them off with a little bit of oil. I like to throw a little bit of red onion in with them. And I'm gonna use pesto with mine. I made some pesto a while back that I put in jars after vacuum sealing with my Avid Armor chamber vacuum sealer. And I was looking at the pesto the other day and it's already been in there for several weeks and it looks beautiful. Still nice and green. Okay, so there you go. Very easy to do. Just get you one of these little machines. They have many different varieties out there on the market. I like this crank style one. Just be really careful, the blades are extremely sharp, all right? So then I just throw all my Zoodles into a bowl and they're ready for my next step, which would be to saute them for my dinner, okay? So I'm just gonna set those aside.